I will be using a detachable clipper and an adjustable clipper for this haircut. The blades I will be using is the 000, the 1A, and 1/2 blade. On the adjustable clipper, I will be using the 3 guard, 2 guard, 1.5 guard, and 1 guard. My first step on this fade will be making a bald line or my first guard line. I make it with a 000 on my detachable clipper, or I will close the lever, no guard, on my adjustable clipper, which is equivalent to the 000, and make my first line all the way around the head. Following that, I will come underneath it with the trimmers and bald the hair out, get it close as possible with my trimmers as can. After the freehand on the top of the head, your haircut should be complete. It should look something like this. When you develop an eye, you will be able to polish the haircut more. But pretty much this is the process. Hope you found this video helpful. Tune in Tuesday for tutorial talk and next Thursday for another haircut tutorial.